How to add materials in Blender. First of all, select the object you want to apply a material to by right-clicking on it in the 3D viewport. Next, go to the Material Properties tab, which is the red sphere icon in the bottom right panel. If the object doesn't have a material yet, click on New to create one. This adds a default material that you can start editing right away. Now under the surface section, you will see options like base color, metallic, roughness, and more. You can change the base color by clicking the color bar and picking a new color. This instantly updates the object's appearance in the viewport if you are in material preview mode. To add a texture, scroll down to the base color and click the small yellow dot next to it. Then choose Image Texture. After that, click Open and select your image file to apply it to the object. If you want more control, switch to the Shading workspace from the top menu. Here you can build complex materials using nodes. And that's it. Now you know how to add materials in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.